Hi and welcome to MRTV. This is the Vive Cosmos Elite, the Elite version of the original Vive Cosmos that comes with Lighthouse tracking instead of the inside-out tracking of the original Cosmos that didn't work so well. Now, this is going to set you back $899. It's on the market since a couple of months and I had not shown it to you until this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you what comes in this box, how well it works, and what I think of the Elite version of the Vive Cosmos. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back again here to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang and this channel is all about virtual reality. I'm bringing you unbiased and honest reviews of all the VR headsets, of accessories, and you're getting the latest news. So if you want more videos just like this one here, then absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. The HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. It has finally made its way to the MRTV headquarters again. This cost $899 for this complete package. And this complete package comes with the two base stations that you will need for the Lighthouse tracking and with two controllers, the HTC Vive Wand controllers. Also, of course, the headset is included. Now, for the original Vive Cosmos, I actually liked it if it wasn't for the bad tracking. And please watch my whole review of this headset with inside-out tracking here. So the good thing is this kind of not so great tracking, let's say it like this, is now gone with the Elite, and now we have the great Lighthouse tracking. So I'm really excited to find out what I think about this headset now that it comes with the Lighthouse tracking. Of course, it faces stiff and really capable competition with the Valve Index on the more expensive side. The Valve Index costs $999 for the complete package. And on the cheaper side, the $600 HP Reverb G2, which is an amazing headset. And well, you've seen my videos about it probably. So let's start here with the unboxing. Let's find out what's in the box and then let's check this out together. So this is the box that the Vive Cosmos Elite comes in. It's a beautiful box, quite big, and here on the back you have some Vive port advertisement. This is the game platform where you can get games for the Vive Cosmos. So let's have a closer look into the box right now. And we're being greeted here by the quick instructions, and I like it. You simply download the Vive setup and then you follow steps 1 to 5 and then you're ready to go. Let's check out what's in this small envelope, and well, it's the Vive quality inspection passed. Okay, good. I thought it was some gift, but well, that's probably a gift nowadays. That's the quality is there. All right, let's check out what's in the box here right now. And here, these are the base stations. The base stations of kind 2.0. Those ones you have to put them to your wall or put them on some kind of stand, and well, you have two of them. And these will give you great tracking. In box number 3, we're going to find the breakout box. So you're going to connect the breakout box with your computer. And well, it is DisplayPort and USB cable. Here, this is the breakout box. And with this breakout box, you're going to connect the cable of the Cosmos Elite. All right. In this box, you're going to find the controllers, and these are the original Vive Wand controllers. And we know them very well. They came out with the original HTC Vive in 2016, so now they're already 4 years old. Well, and I have to tell you, yes, you can feel the age of these controllers because, well, there's a thumb pad and you don't even have a thumbstick like you have with all the other controllers right now. So they are okay, but definitely in the meantime, they are way better controllers. Okay, so now let's have a look at the Vive Cosmos Elite. So here it is. And now let's have a closer look. So first of all, I must say I like how the Cosmos Elite looks. This black finish, in my opinion, I personally like it better than the blue finish of the original Vive Cosmos. Other than the color, everything is the same, but the faceplate is the Elite faceplate, which has all the sensors for the Lighthouse tracking. Still, we got 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the side, so you can still make an inside-out headset out of this. Let's get rid of the protective foil here now. And of course without a command, because I know that some of you want to have this moment of peeling off the protective foil all for yourself. And now let's have a look at the cable and the plug. So this here is the plug. It's a proprietary plug which plugs into the breakout box. Now let's go for the direct comparison. On the left, this is the Cosmos Elite, and on the right, this is the original Vive Cosmos with inside-out tracking. And the only difference is the faceplate and the color. So in my opinion, I personally prefer the black matte finish as compared to this bluish finish. But well, it's all a matter of taste, of course. With my original Vive Cosmos, I'm using the wireless adapter. This here is the wireless adapter. It's going to set you back around $350. And then, well, all of your Vive headsets can be wireless. And in my personal opinion, this is the big differentiating factor for HTC. And in my opinion, they should totally bank on that. What I'm showing you right now, I'm changing the faceplate here and making my Cosmos also a Cosmos Elite. So if you already own the original Cosmos, then you can make a Cosmos Elite out of it simply by buying this faceplate, which is going to set you back $199. And then, well, now I have two Cosmos Elite here. Alright, so this is the Vive Cosmos Elite, and just for the looks of it, I would say I personally like it, and I prefer the black finish over the bluish one from the original Vive Cosmos. So that is nice. All the other things are exactly the same, like the face cover is the same. Also, yeah, all the materials are exactly the same, and just for the build quality, you're getting high quality here for your $899, and it's just the same like the original Vive Cosmos. So I'm also going to put it on now and see how the comfort is like, but I don't expect any surprises as compared to the original Vive Cosmos, since this is really exactly the same. And yep, this is exactly how I remember it. And actually, comfort-wise, this is good. I like it. It's a comfortable headset. I like this kind of halo ring here. And the good thing of this headset is you can do this. And you can't do this for the Valve Index or the G2 or the Rift S. So if you quickly want to get out of VR, you can do this, and you can do this to get back inside. But also, unfortunately, this comes with disadvantages, as in the lens or the display is not very close to your eyes, and that's not so good for the FOV, but I'm going to talk about this a bit later. Let me also check out the headphones. So, okay, here I don't have problems with my original Cosmos model. I have problems with the headphones because they don't clip in. Here they do. Okay, so this is better now. So yeah, I don't have problems here with this unit. And build quality wise and comfort wise, you're getting a nice headset here. Time to play with the Cosmos Elite. And well, here you see me with the Cosmos Elite, with the Vive 1 controllers, and with a game that I really like and can totally recommend to you. It's called Jupitergrad, and it's new. And it's really fun. I totally recommend you to play this game. Anyways, this is about the Cosmos Elite, and what I'm trying out here is the tracking, and in general, how is it to play with the Cosmos Elite. So of course, the tracking is just way better than with the original Vive Cosmos, where you have this inside-out tracking, which does not really work as great as other inside-out tracked headsets do. So this problem is gone now, and it's way better. So with the Cosmos Elite, you can play all the games that you love. Beat Saber, of course you can play Beat Saber, and you can play it on Expert, and you won't have any problems at all. So Beat Saber checked. Now let's check out Half-Life Alyx. So this is Half-Life Alyx here with the Cosmos Elite, and it looks great. Also with the Cosmos Elite, you're going to have a great time with Half-Life Alyx. And for the visual quality of the Cosmos Elite, I already told you in my normal Cosmos review that actually the visual quality is really good. You have a great LCD panel, you have really good colors. Actually, the colors are better than the Valve Index, and you have a bit of a higher resolution than the Valve Index as well. Unfortunately though, you have a small FOV, smaller than that of the Valve Index, smaller than that of the Rift S even, and smaller of that of the G2. So for the FOV, the field of view, that is not really great here. And the reason for this is this hinge mechanism, because the lenses are not really close to your eyes and they don't get pressed to your eyes, and therefore the FOV suffers. But there are some hacks that will allow you to put it closer to your eyes, and then the FOV is comparable to the other 110 degrees FOV headsets. Let's have a look through the lens of the Vive Cosmos Elite. So this is how it looks, and yeah, it is good. We have good colors here. We have a good resolution here, and you're going to have a good time with Half-Life Alyx. However, in direct comparison with the G2 is way better, and let's directly compare this. This is how Half-Life Alyx looks through the lens of the HP Reverb G2. So if you're wondering which of the two headsets looks better, definitely the HP Reverb G2. There's absolutely no question about it. Back to the Cosmos Elite. This is the ROV test environment, and this is what I use to check out the visuals. So check this out, check out line 11, not easy to read, and check out the red text. It says Vive Pro, and this is the direct comparison with the Reverb G2. So with the Reverb G2, you have a high resolution, and it's quite obvious here, zooming in, you can more easily read line 11, and also you can more easily read Vive Pro on the right. So this is the direct comparison. On the right, the G2, and on the left, the Elite. And we have one more headset to check out. This is the Valve Index through the lens in exactly the same situation here. And it looks pretty good. Check this out. Let's zoom in here as well. And as you can tell, you can pretty nicely read the red Vive Pro. Let's directly compare this with the Cosmos. And I would say it's nearly the same, if not even a little tad better with the Valve Index. And that's surprising, because you have a little bit of a bigger resolution with the Cosmos, and you have a bigger FOV with the Valve Index. So the Index engineers did an amazing job here with the panel of the Valve Index. But in general, both headsets look really good in VR, with the Cosmos probably a bit better colors and the best picture quality, clearly the G2. But simply see for yourself in this direct comparison of all the three headsets: left Cosmos, in the middle the Index, and on the right the Reverb G2. Alright, after having played with the Vive Cosmos Elite for quite a while now, I must say I really like it. So this is definitely better than the original Cosmos, because you don't have that bad tracking anymore. And well, I also didn't really enjoy the controllers of the original Cosmos. Here now you have the Lighthouse tracking, and as you could see right now, I have no problems with the tracking whatsoever. It is just as good as the tracking of the Valve Index. Well, it is the same tracking, and therefore, well, you're going to have a great time in VR. Well, you do get these controllers, the Vive Wands. These are capable controllers, I would say. At this moment in time, they are already a bit outdated because, well, the Valve Index controllers are out and they are simply better. But if you're new to VR and, well, if you have never tried any VR, I think those controllers are okay, and especially for games where you, well, hold a weapon. This feels okay, or for any game where you hold a sword, yes, this will also feel alright. And well, I also had no problems really playing Half-Life Alyx, as you saw. So these controllers are good enough. That's how I would say it. Well, but anyways, you could always upgrade to the Valve Index controllers later. Yeah, so could I recommend this over the Valve Index or over the Reverb G2? For this, I would say no, because, well, this is simply not as good as the Valve Index. The Valve Index has a wider FOV and, well, it has more comfort. It has the Valve Index controllers. It has the better audio. So lots of things speaking here for the Valve Index. And for the G2 the same. The G2 has a way better quality in terms of visuals. It has a wider FOV, it has more comfort, and also it has the better controllers, even though you don't have the Lighthouse tracking with the G2, but still it's a very capable tracking with the G2. So it is tough. This is running against tough competition here, the Cosmos Elite. However, if you need a VR headset now and you can wait for the Valve Index to be back in stock, or you can wait for the G2 to be delivered, and well, you want a headset now, then yeah, you can totally go for the Cosmos Elite. It's a capable headset. You are going to have fun in VR, and well, you do have the upgrade path to wireless, something that the Valve Index and the G2 don't have at the moment, right? So yes, this is a capable headset that you're going to have fun with, and well, for these cases, I can recommend the Cosmos Elite. And if you're going to order it, well, I won't be angry. Let's say it like this: you're going to have a good headset. However, I must still again tell you about the negative parts, and the bad parts here are the sweet spot is really small as compared to the other headsets. So sweet spot, what is it? Well, it's this spot where you see everything crystal clear. And well, if you like get out of the sweet spot, for example, if you touch your headset and you have to readjust it, well, then things will start not to be so clear anymore. And even when you're in the sweet spot and you're looking left and right, you see that in the peripheral vision, things start to get a bit blurry faster than with the other headsets. So the sweet spot is not great. And also the FOV, right? The field of view is not as big as with the other headsets. And the problem is that this hinge here, the lenses are not really close to your eyes. So if you push this closer to your eyes, then actually the FOV is like kind of comparable to what other headsets, other 110 degrees headsets are offering. So this is really a problem of this hinge. And probably there are some hacks outside on the interwebs where people actually manage to bring this closer to your eyes. So if you're okay to use these kind of hacks, then probably the FOV problem, you would be able to get rid of it. All right, that's it for this video. I really hope it was helpful for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And I want to hear from you, of course. What do you think about the Cosmos Elite? Is it something you are thinking about buying, or did you buy it already? And how do you feel about the device? Please do let me know in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Again, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, if you want more videos just like this one here, then subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. That's it, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.